What's going on YouTube? Barber CVO here at the barbershop in the back room, just doing a quick little review for you guys that are my new purchase, the Sena 50S. I paid $525, I think, with tax and everything, and it had $30 for like 2 years of a warranty through Cycle Gear. So I did a lot of research on all these Sena stuff, but I actually came across this one and I loved it. It comes two in a box. Like I said, we're gonna do a little review on it, and I'm gonna be installing on my new Simpson Ghost Bandit Ponyboy helmets. I got one for me and my wife. All right, so here we go. This is the 50S Dual. Kind of open the box a little bit so it'll be less to do. Alrighty, so here we go. This is the 50S. These have amazing headphones for your full face. As you can see, what I like about this, it has the mesh. So the mesh is that if you could link up to about 24 people in one party, and if you disconnect, it'll automatically connect itself on its own when you get back to the pack. All right, it'll show you exactly what they got. You got the Bluetooth, the mesh intercom, multi-way intercoms, music sharing, advanced control. It's got AM, FM radio, and all that stuff. But yeah, this thing's awesome. I can't wait to put it on my new Simpson helmets. They're arriving today. And yeah, once I plug them on into the, let me open this a little bit more. Well, I'm not gonna get into full details. Obviously inside is all the cables and all that stuff and what comes in. And yeah, pretty cool. Got the toggle. They also have the 50 R, which is the same exact thing, but it's a little more sleeker. It has buttons on it, but I like more of the toggle thing. So yeah, so this is a quick little video on the new Sena equipment I got here for my helmet. All right, so my next video I'll have it on with my Simpson helmets with me and my wife. All right, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want some more content on more motorcycle stuff. All right, peace.